Alright, so the project today is I'm going to stain this walk and front patio. As you can see, it was already stained before. Didn't get much further. This is what I'm going to be using. The BEHR Premium floor coating concrete stain. The color we got, Classic Mustang. All surfaces must be clean, sound, dry, and free of any dirt, oil, and grease. This has already been pressure washed, so I'm just gonna blow it off, clean the edges so that I can get the sides of it also. So it is cleared all the way around. It is blown off with any debris. I'm gonna start working on getting a brush and working around the trim areas. my goodness. I'll have to take care of that later. Can't believe I got the very end like that. I'm gonna have to find it, see if I can find a cleaner. Oh, when all this dries, maybe I'll just nick the pressure washer with it. No big deal, I'll fix that. I am going to do another coat on it. Okay, so a couple of hours have gone by. This is dry. I wanted to put all this dirt and mulch and everything back. So I'm gonna take care of that first.